put back the diffusion sheets. Alright. I'm not sure which angles, which ends. Let's see. I think this is the right one. There's a marking here. Make sure I sit inside the metal frame. Yep, this is the right one. Next thing, plastic frame. Okay, so the wire come off from this side. Let me see, I forgot which side. See. Yep, same side. All right. I think this is the right side. Yeah, this is the right one. The wire coming out from this side. Oh crap. Okay. Make sure it clicks. Okay, all four sides. You see this? Make sure it locks in. All right, done deal. Next thing, we had to put the wires. See like this? I'll show you when I finish it. See the wire? Put it right back. Now it's an easy part. Just put back a liquid glass. Everything's there. Okay. So I'm gonna make sure this liquid glass is clean before we put it back. Oops. Okay. Clean, clean, clean. All right. Grab it. Now this is very important, okay? Make sure the liquid glass is sit inside of a plastic film on four corners. So as long as you sure that it's on inside the film, I mean plastic film, then it's safe to put back to the metal, put on the metal film. Because if they're not sit inside, you snap in the metal frame, it's gonna crack the screen on the edge. Okay, put the screw back and put a couple screw back, and I'm gonna put this one back. Then we are ready to mount the inverters, to mount the AV driver. I'm sorry. Okay, 3 little screws. Okay, next video we're going to show you how to mount it back. Now I put back the covers, and left and right side plug it, add a couple pieces of tape to secure the wires. Let's put back to the chassis. Okay, let me set aside, grab the chassis. Alright, so this is the chassis, and I'm going to put it like this. So actually I should do this. I forgot. I shouldn't put a screw in first because I need to connect this one. This one I had prepared some tips here, so I need to tip it really well. Again, you may not see it actually. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna get the tips on the top. So a little bit tricky. Okay, another tip, just make sure it won't fall off. It's very important. And then I'm going to add one more. This just to secure the wires. Make sure it won't move at all. Now it's in place. I'm going to get that the wire out, the wire. Then I'm going to flip over and then put the screw back. Alright, oops, that's fine. That's good. Okay. Alright, yep, I put it right correct. Okay, here's my marking. 4 long screws. Just in.